My name is Gabriel Akbaruchi, and the name of my channel is Struggle Security, or StruggleSec for short. Weird title, right? Struggle Security. A lot of times you don't see that go hand in hand in the cybersecurity field. The whole idea of struggle or struggling, a lot of times is disassociated from anything in the field, especially as it concerns security practitioners. A lot of times people think that a security practitioner or somebody in the cybersecurity field is proficient at what they do. They are subject matter experts, or they're great at doing analysis or penetration testing or incident response, when I want to present a different idea or a different understanding, because I have struggled. I struggle even to this day. And at the time, I'm a cybersecurity manager for probably one of the largest technology consulting firms for professional services in the world. So I do think that it is okay to struggle. And that's really one of the purposes, and the real purpose of my channel is to normalize struggling in cybersecurity, making it okay to struggle. You don't have to be perfect in your journey, whether you're a beginner, whether you're mid-career, or whether you're at the point where you're a manager or executive or above. It's still okay to struggle, because this is a field that's always changing, always moving, and concepts and ideas change. So I do want to invite you all to me, where some of my content will be that of breaking down very difficult or complex topics in cybersecurity and pretty much giving it to you bite-sized. I'll also show you some of my own struggles as I go through things, learning different technologies, learning different concepts in the field. And also I'll be inviting people onto the channel. Well, they'll be going over their own struggle stories. Their struggle stories, whether in tech or whether in cybersecurity, and just in general, normalizing struggling in cybersecurity. So come along with me, welcome to my channel, and struggle with me on the StruggleSec Cybersecurity channel.